Good evening everyone, especially to you ma'am. I'm Roldan Ibua, 18 years old from Purok 5 OB Maon, Butuan City. I'm taking off Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science in Caraga State University. So, socialization. Socialization is important. It's socialization's process that help individual make transitions and adapt to the changing environment. There are agents of socialization. First is family, peers, school, mass media, and regions. So, what are the common challenging issue change in mental health? So, mental health issue is mental health talk about stress, depressed, or any mental abuses of our mind. So, just relax and maintain goal. So, third topic is Caraga State University rules and responsibilities. So, the university regards the students' registration as a manifestation of willingness to abide by all policies and rules prevailing in the university. Every student and therefore complying to observe them. Understanding university policies. You need to understand the policies of our university. So, next is familiarizations updates. You need to familiarize our university and keep updating in our university page. Third is adhering to academic policies. So, you need to understand and follow to the rule of our university. So, next is academic integrity. You need to respect one another. Next is attendance and participation. You need to present always on your activity, especially in our school participating. So, next is assignment deadline. You need to pass time by time your assignment using time management. So, next is following conduct policies. Follow always the rule and responsibility of our university. Next is code of conduct, drugs and alcohol policies. Do not use drug, alcohol of our university. Next is harassment and discriminations. If you get harassment of our university, you need to go counseling and security. So that all, I hope you understand my understanding about this topic. Thank you ma'am and God bless. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.